in this video, I will show you how to copy the transcript from a YouTube video. So I'll be showing you how you can find, open and copy a YouTube video transcript so you can save the text or use it wherever you need to. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, tips, tricks and easy tech guides. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the video that you want to copy the transcript for. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose one of my own videos. So I'm just going to come across to my channel and let's just go and choose this video here. Now once you're on the actual video page, what you want to do is come below the video to the video description, click onto more to expand the video description, and from here you want to scroll all the way to the bottom where you should see a button to show the transcript. Give that a click. What that's going to do is bring up the transcript on the right hand side. Now I've already got a tool installed called vidIQ, which means I can copy the transcript, but you can see at the start of the transcript we have these timestamps as well. So if you come up and click onto the three dots, you can toggle these on or off, and then all you need to do is simply hold down the left mouse button and just drag to highlight the transcript. So you can scroll down, highlight all of this, and once that's done, just right click, click onto copy, and then of course you can paste that wherever you need to. So if I open up Notepad, what I'm going to do is just paste this here, and you can see we've now got the YouTube video transcript. So that is how to copy the transcript from a YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.